Run an industrial company and don't feel like the IT sector understands your needs? Wondering how to improve production efficiency even by 45%? Gain up to 70% better energy utilization? And get higher quality? See the benefits you can get from our digital manufacturing offer. Get a full view of all relevant events on the shop floor. Maximize financial and operational efficiency across your organization. Go for IT solutions to support your business while letting you focus on what you are best at. Standardize industrial connectivity and unify underlying data. Harvest, process, and analyze data in production and get real-time, data-driven insights. Keep track of key metrics you need to follow from reports and dashboards, or feed data to trigger necessary actions. With our bespoke industrial portfolio, you can keep it cool and kick off your digital transformation journey. Launch your industrial revolution now. Transition Technologies PSC Global Premium Solution Integrator.